Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to learn about save Terraform plan to file. So let's look into the agenda. What are the topics we are going to cover in this session? So guys, this session is going to be pretty much straightforward where we will start our discussion with why to use or say why to do save Terraform plan to file, and then we will look into one of the demo to do the same. So guys, save Terraform plan to file is one of the way by which you can keep your final configuration within file. So why do we do it? We do it because whenever we are working in a large project and where we are doing multiple iteration of the configuration, and at last we are finalizing one of the configuration which will be fulfilling our requirement, and then we will save it to file for further use so that it will retain the Terraform plan which is working solution, and then we will proceed further and then we will do the changes within the TF file to try out some other solution. And in case if we messed up with our Terraform file, that is TF file, then in that scenario also we can use Terraform plan which we have kept within the file. But honestly speaking, many of the people are not using within the industry. Instead of this approach, they prefer to use the GitHub repository. But this topic is also the part of your exam, so I am covering this topic. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand it better. So guys, we are into the Visual Studio Code, and this is the same example we have been following in many of the session where we are creating an EC2 instance, and this time also we are going to use the same exercise as we are going to learn save Terraform plan to file. So guys, for instance, suppose that if you have created your configuration and you have finalized your work, and this is the work which you have done. Now you want to retain your plan within a file, then you have to follow these steps. So you have to run first. So here I am using the fresh example, so I need to do the initialization for Terraform. So I would tell that Terraform init enter. So it has finished the initialization of the provider. Now the next step, you need to specify this command terraform plan hyphen out equal to path. So here you need to specify the file name, whichever you want to specify the file with the path. I am going to save it in the same folder, so I don't need to specify the path. I should specify the file name. So over here I will tell that final plan and enter. So guys, it has executed and it has also given us the plan, and along with that, if we will look over here, we are getting a file that is final plan which we have mentioned. So that means whatever the configuration we have written over here, that is going to remain same. So the benefit we are getting over here is, suppose in case if we are doing any changes over here, for example if we are updating t2.micro, instead of that you are updating t2.large for example sake, I'm using it, but it is a large file when you are doing the actual project and you have done some large modification within your working plan, and because of that some mess up happened. But the good part was that you have kept a backup in the form of final plan, then you can directly apply that and it will pick up those configuration which we have finalized into final plan. So let's run Terraform apply on final plan, then you will see that it will not create t2.large AWS instance within AWS, as we are keeping t2.micro within final plan. So let's save this one. But prior to running Terraform apply, I wanted to show this file, what this file contains. So guys, this file is basically a binary file. If you will open it, then you will find that some junk character which is not in a readable format. Right? So guys, let's proceed further and let's run the command terraform apply, and over here I should mention the final plan. So I will tell final plan enter. So now it is creating the AWS EC2 instance. So guys, let's verify TF state file what kind of instance it has created. Here we have mentioned t2.large, but earlier we have kept t2.micro within final plan. So let's look into that, what it has picked. And if you will look over here, then you will find that it has picked the t2.micro because we have kept within final plan, and that is what we have saved initially. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. So let's delete the resources and then we will conclude our session. So here we will tell that terraform destroy enter. So guys, let's conclude our session. So guys, in this session we have learned why to do save Terraform plan to file, and then we have also done a demo how to do save Terraform plan to file. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.